In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Cal AI with Fitbit. Now guys, what we're going to have to do is kind of a workaround, so maybe not optimal for everyone, but this is the only way I know how to do it on Android. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Play Store and we're going to download something called Health Connect. Now once you finish downloading Health Connect, you can just open it up. Now here in Health Connect, what we want to do is we want to go to App Permissions and we want to click on Cal AI. Here in Cal AI, we'll say Allow All, and this shows you exactly what Cal AI can actually monitor. Alright, so we are done there. We want to go to Fitbit. So here in the Fitbit app, what we want to do is go to the top left-hand side of the screen, and we want to click on Set Up Health Connect, and click on Set Up, and we need to scroll all the way down, and then we can click on I agree. Then we need to click on either Allow All, or you can decide what you want Health Connect to be able to monitor. And when you're done, just click on Allow at the bottom here. Then click on Continue, and there you go. You'll see it's now synced. So that is the only way that I know how to sync our Fitbit and our Cal AI. Unfortunately, there's no built-in integration between the two. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.